Microsoft is making some of its biggest AI moves yet, restructuring its internal teams, doubling down on AI-first development, and open-sourcing a powerful new AI model. This could change the entire AI landscape. Satya Nadella recently stated that AI is evolving at an unprecedented pace, condensing 30 years of technological advancements into just 3. To keep up, Microsoft is restructuring its AI teams and forming a new division called CoreAI Platform and Tools. This new division merges multiple teams, combining developer tools, cloud infrastructure, and AI research under one entity. The goal is to make AI not just a feature, but the foundation of Microsoft's technology stack. The division includes the developer division, which manages Visual Studio and GitHub, the AI platform team, responsible for Azure AI and Foundry, and key teams from the Office of the CTO, including those working on AI supercomputing and AI-driven runtime systems. Leading this effort is Jay Parikh, a former engineering executive from Meta. His team includes key leaders from GitHub, Azure AI, and Microsoft's developer infrastructure, ensuring a unified strategy across AI and software development. Microsoft's approach signals a shift in software development. AI is no longer a supporting tool, but the core of how applications are built and maintained. The restructuring allows for tighter integration between AI-driven coding tools and Microsoft's cloud infrastructure. GitHub Copilot is now fully embedded into Microsoft's AI platform, allowing real-time improvements in AI-assisted coding. The closer integration between GitHub and AI research will accelerate improvements in automated code generation, debugging, and software optimization. Microsoft's focus extends beyond developer productivity. The company aims to pioneer agentic applications, AI-driven programs that can reason, plan, and execute tasks autonomously. These applications go beyond chatbots, offering true decision-making capabilities. One of the biggest announcements is the open sourcing of Phi-4, a 14 billion parameter AI model designed for advanced reasoning, math, and coding tasks. Unlike many AI models that come with restrictive licenses, Microsoft is making Phi-4 fully open source under an MIT license. Phi-4 was initially available through Azure AI Foundry, but Microsoft has now released the full model weights on Hugging Face. This makes it one of the most powerful openly available AI models today. Phi-4 is highly optimized despite being smaller than models like GPT-4. It was trained on 9.8 trillion tokens, a mix of curated and synthetic data. The model has a 16,000 token context window, making it capable of handling large-scale research papers, extensive code bases, and detailed problem-solving. Microsoft claims that Phi-4 outperforms certain GPT-4 variants in graduate-level STEM tasks. This suggests that efficient training and fine-tuning can sometimes be more impactful than simply increasing model size. A key feature of Phi-4 is its hallucination control mechanism. Unlike many AI models that generate responses even when uncertain, Phi-4 is designed to refuse to answer when it lacks confidence. This improves reliability, reducing misinformation and incorrect outputs. To refine Phi-4, Microsoft used Supervised Fine-Tuning, SFT, for better step-by-step reasoning, direct preference optimization, DPO, to align responses with human expectations, and pivotal token search, a method to pinpoint critical decision-making tokens that impact output accuracy. The release of Phi-4 aligns with Microsoft's broader AI-first strategy. Azure remains the foundation for Microsoft's AI infrastructure, supporting everything from GitHub Copilot to AI-powered developer tools. Microsoft's vision includes building an ecosystem where AI seamlessly integrates into software development. AI-assisted coding will evolve beyond simple autocomplete functions, transforming into a fully integrated development partner that assists in writing, testing, and optimizing software. The efficiency of Phi-4 makes it ideal for developers who need powerful AI without the computational overhead of larger models. Its open-source nature allows researchers and engineers to modify, fine-tune, and expand its capabilities for specialized applications. Microsoft is positioning itself as a leader in agentic AI applications, where AI models don't just generate responses, but actively assist in planning and executing tasks. This shift moves AI from being a tool to an active problem-solving entity. Azure is becoming the default AI infrastructure layer, with Microsoft building developer-friendly tools on top of it. GitHub, Visual Studio, and other Microsoft development platforms will leverage AI to make software engineering more efficient. AI-powered development environments will enable autonomous debugging, where AI can detect and fix errors in real time. AI-assisted architecture planning will help developers build scalable and efficient systems without manually optimizing every detail. Beyond software development, AI will reshape enterprise applications. AI-first platforms will allow businesses to automate complex workflows, making AI a central part of operational decision-making rather than a separate tool. As Microsoft integrates AI deeper into its products, the company is also investing in AI ethics and safety. The introduction of refusal mechanisms in Phi-4 is one example of how Microsoft is addressing concerns around misinformation and biased outputs. Microsoft's AI reorganization is a long-term play to ensure its dominance in the AI-driven software era. By aligning AI research, developer tools, and cloud infrastructure, the company is building an AI ecosystem that extends from low-level infrastructure to end-user applications. Open sourcing Phi-4 sets a precedent for AI accessibility. While companies like OpenAI and Google continue to keep their most powerful models proprietary, Microsoft is betting that the open-source community will drive faster innovation. Smaller, highly optimized models like Phi-4 demonstrate that AI efficiency can rival raw computational power. A well-trained 14B model can, in many cases, outperform models with significantly more parameters when trained with the right techniques. Microsoft's AI-first strategy is expected to redefine how software is written, tested, and deployed. AI-assisted development will become the norm, and developers will rely on AI as an active coding assistant rather than a passive tool. The push toward agentic AI will lead to the rise of software applications that can adapt, learn, and automate complex tasks. AI-driven decision-making will become an integral part of both consumer and enterprise applications. The AI industry is moving toward a future where AI-powered tools help write software, optimize infrastructure, and automate operations. Microsoft's restructuring signals a shift where AI is no longer an experimental technology, but a core driver of innovation. The release of Phi-4 is just one step toward Microsoft's larger goal of building an AI-first development ecosystem. Open-source AI models, integrated development tools, and cloud-based AI infrastructure will define the next generation of software engineering. Microsoft is betting that its AI-first approach will accelerate innovation, lower the barrier to AI adoption, and create a seamless AI development pipeline. By unifying AI research, developer tools, and cloud services, Microsoft is setting the stage for AI to become an everyday component of software development. The combination of agentic AI, AI-assisted coding, and open-source AI models represents a major leap forward. The software industry is entering an era where AI doesn't just assist, but actively participates in development, problem-solving, and automation. Microsoft's restructuring and the open sourcing of Phi-4 indicate that AI is no longer a separate field. It is becoming the foundation of modern computing. Companies that fail to integrate AI at a fundamental level risk falling behind as AI-driven development becomes the industry standard. Phi-4 and Microsoft's AI-first strategy are shaping the future of how AI is built, used, and deployed. The shift to AI-powered software engineering is accelerating, and Microsoft is positioning itself at the center of this transformation. Will Microsoft's AI-first approach redefine software development? Should more companies open source their AI models? How will agentic AI impact the way businesses and developers work? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown valuable, share it with someone who loves AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.